To enable CyberScout identity theft insurance, start by understanding what this service provides. CyberScout is a comprehensive identity theft protection service that offers monitoring, alerts, and restoration services in case of identity theft. First, check if you are eligible for CyberScout through your bank, credit union, or other financial institution. Many financial institutions offer this service as an added benefit to their customers. If your institution does not offer it, you can also purchase it directly from CyberScout. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, follow these steps to enable the service. Go to the website of your financial institution or CyberScout and navigate to the section that mentions Identity Theft Protection or CyberScout. Look for an enrollment or sign-up link and click on it. You will be asked to provide some personal information such as your name, address, and social security number to create an account. This information is necessary for CyberScout to monitor your identity and provide protection services. After creating your account, you will have access to various features and services, including credit monitoring, fraud alerts, and identity restoration. Make sure to review and understand each of these services to get the most out of your CyberScout membership. One of the key benefits of CyberScout is its restoration services. If you become a victim of identity theft, CyberScout's team of experts will work with you to restore your identity and repair any damage that has been done. To get the most out of your CyberScout membership, make sure to regularly review your credit reports and monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity. You should also take advantage of the educational resources and tips provided by CyberScout to help you protect yourself from identity theft. By following these steps and taking advantage of the services and features provided by CyberScout, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your identity is being monitored and protected. Remember to stay vigilant and report any suspicious activity to CyberScout immediately to minimize the risk of identity theft.